I have three topics for you, okay? And whichever you like, we will discuss that, okay? First,
Okay.
first one is, what if, okay, suppose you are Mr. India. Okay, so what will you do? Okay, first one.
Invisible Man.
Second,
Yeah.
second topic is, what is love for you?
Okay,
And
okay.
third topic is very serious and very stable topic. The topic is, what makes you feel alive?
Okay.
Okay, so which is your favorite? I mean, what should we pick?
The last topic is really thinkable.
Yes,
And very
extremely
interesting also.
thinkable. And
Yeah.
it's really difficult to express.
Yeah, right.
So, Avani?
We can go with the third one. Means it's difficult to express, no? So
It is actually very thinkable.
very
Everybody is thinking
difficult.
okay, let me tell you three topic. I mean, 3 points which I have in my mind.
Okay.
Everything which we do in our life uh, that have some motive behind it. Okay, we do most of the things in our life to achieve something, but what we do to, I mean, what you do for living. You're reading because you want good job. You are doing something because you want to, make yourself better. Every day we wake up with some motive. Okay, there is some motive for us. Okay, so what makes you feel that yes, I am alive? And tell me about the particular incident when you feel that yes, this life is very worthy. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so yes, what I get, I mean, as a human being, it's a very big blessing for me. Like again, like God created me as a human. It's a very big gift. So what makes you feel alive? Just tell me one particular incident or experience that feeling. Yes, I mean, when you realize that this life is very precious.
Yeah, I felt it.
Yes, I felt it.
Okay, Debo, go ahead.
First, I want to share a incident that was happened in my life. That in the first year, in the previous year, 2020, when the first pandemic, the wave, the COVID-19 wave is arrived, then I actually I am um, involved in a trust, and through this trust I am going to the rural areas where the food is very necessary, and in these pandemic situations we are went to these places where the poor peoples are lived. And this time when I am able to help some poor peoples with to get some foods or any necessary commodities, I feel that yeah, this is life. Life, it's not about you want to live a life, you have the all luxurious things, you have the qualities or any degrees. It's not a life. When you get this ability to help up people, when you get this ability to make someone smile in their faces, it's the life. Karl Marx great statement I remember, that is a man a man's life is that when you live for someone else, is not your life. So this is the incident, and yeah, I am involved, I am involving in this trust also. And that I think that I'm okay. So I am involving this trust also, and I'm trying my best to give some efforts to make their lives better, to make their lives easier to survive in this critical world. So that is my opinion.
I can understand your feeling, because I'm doing the same, and I can feel
Oh,
when
great.
we met, small children, and they were like very happy to get new gifts, new clothes, and lots of sweets. So they were like really happy, and they gave us very cute smile with hi and bye. So yes, that's a very different feeling. So yeah, I can relate with that. Hi Shevi, how are you? Hi. So next, Avni, want to share anything?
Don't have such incident like means the hi Shelby, the Debashri that she shared. I don't have such experience, but I can say that whenever I am means I am earning something, definitely I will donate some of my income or some of the percentage of my income to an NGO or to the needy people, because the feeling of helping someone is very different. Like that is the feeling which makes you feel alive. Like in my house, there are many plants. When I water that plants, means it's like the babies to myself. That
True.
feelings also makes me feel alive. I mean,
You
it's a
can
very
find
small thing.
happiness anywhere. That's true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
every morning seeing that new flowers came, new even a new leaf came, it was like, oh, this I just feed them the water, the things like, yeah, that's the only the small thing that I want to share that
Yes,
makes me
true.
every day, that makes me feel alive.
Yes, true, true. Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
go ahead.
So, is your question like what makes you feel alive?
Mm.
I want to say my opinion. Like as I'm a student. I am also doing some part-time job with my studies, and when I got my first salary, I my almost whole salary I just helping the here is some people, they are not getting food at time or something, and I just help them to I share them some new clothes, and I give them some foods or something. Then I just help them at that time. When I got my first salary, because my parents always teach me, always taught me like we should help others, and those are who are not getting food at time, um, and those who have not money to survive their life, we should help them.
True, true,
Yeah.
true.
And another thing, ma'am, in my family, there is no girl child. Like after, I'm not saying like they are not educated in our family. The girls, they are educated. They are doing their B.Ed or PhD something. They are completed their studies, but they are not able to doing any kind of job,
Okay.
because in their family they are not allowed them to doing job as a girl. They don't find it is good to if a girl doing job, they uh, they are all educated, they are all completed their studies, PhD, masters, but they are not doing any kind of job. So I just want to do, like after my completed my studies or something, I just want to prove them, okay, like uh, a girl is also can do a job, a girl is also
Hmm.
go outside or something. So
Yes,
yeah, this is my motive to
that,
do something. My
that's nice.
first time, ma'am, it's first time I want to do something in my life. I want to
Mhm.
successful in my life.
You should do that.
I
Yes.
want to, yeah, I want to show them a girl can do better than a boy, right?
Yes, of course. Maybe Nayan is not
Yeah,
with us, but yes.
No, no, it's right. It's right. Why not?
yeah,
At
All
least
are
with
human beings.
education, girls.
Yeah. And let me tell you that my wife is already doing a job. Okay.
Yes, Nayan is very supportive.
She is also
Actually, he told me last time
yeah. She
that
is also a
he's
police.
supporting his wife. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. True.
Yeah, she is also a police personnel. And in last session, I think I had discussed with you about my wife's PhD. Okay,
Yes,
actually,
yes,
she wants to do PhD.
yes.
Yeah, and I want to support her.
Yes, that's
Very
really
good.
nice.
Yeah, that's very good thing. If we support someone, it's but these things are not happen in every family.
Yes, true.
They are not supporting a girl to if she
Like she is explaining, so I just want to give her one suggestion that don't do things to prove something to someone. Okay, do it for your internal peace and you will do the best. So don't try to just go for the thing. I need to prove something to someone. I need to prove something to someone. Just do it by your heart, and people will actually see
yeah,
that you're
that's
doing.
what I do.
Yeah, people will see that you're doing very good, and you will be happy from here. So yeah, I guess you'll do best in your life. I wish you all the best. मैं आपको reality में बता रही हूँ. Because of this COVID thing, no, I only have my parents with me. I am the single daughter, so every day I see them and see them alive, happy with me. So it makes me really grateful to Allah that yes, they are with me in
That's
this
what I want. Yes.
time.
Exactly.
So yeah, I got moisture in my eyes because I'm really telling it from my heart, this thing that yes, every day I seeing them happy, secure, living their life. They don't have a problem. So it makes me alive. And I'm at that point of time, I become thankful to Allah each and every time I see them like this. If I'll go like Nietzsche, I'll go downstairs and I see my mom working in the kitchen happily, making tea for all of us. So that then and there I thank Allah that I'm grateful to you, grateful towards you that you have given me parents both, and such a beautiful parent. They are supporting everything. They
Today
are
we
there.
have very little time, so I cannot tell you my story. Otherwise, in next meeting I will definitely tell you that what makes me feel alive. Okay, it's a real incident, so I will tell you guys, and I think you should listen it. I mean, you should know about it because today we are, as Debashri told earlier and Nayan told earlier, that we are we are living robotic lifestyle. So in that lifestyle, that feelings and that sense is very important. So yeah, I mean, in next meeting, I will share it with you.
Then if time is available, then I want to say something.
Okay, next meeting. Okay.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about another normal things. How was your day? How was your weekend?
It's Father's Day.
Devashri, busy with
It's
the
going
studies?
well. Yeah, ma'am. Little.